properties of such rare distinction as this are almost impossible to describe. Stunning, one of a kind, magnificent. Yes, these are all apt words to use, but fail to convey the wonder of this most special home, known affectionately as the Castle on Little Point. 215 feet of low-bank waterfront with 240 degrees of expansive views towards Bainbridge, Blake and Vashon Islands, with an unobstructed view of Mount Rainier. There is a 47-foot boat ramp, private sandy beach, and even a 3-hole putting green. This masterfully redesigned and updated home sits on 3/4 of an acre behind a gated entry. Over 4,300 square feet of living space with 4 bedrooms, the home features an open and airy floor plan. Everything you would expect to find in a home of this caliber is here. The beautiful large heated solarium just off the kitchen is ideal for morning coffee on a cold winter's day. There are 3 light-filled bedrooms on the lower level, all with water views. Upstairs, you will find a large family room and wet bar, along with a stunning Juliet balcony. Panoramic views from the office are hard to ignore. The master suite with its private sitting room rounds out the upper level. The castle on Little Point is more than just a fantasy. It can be a reality.